Hello friends, today I am going to talk about one of my recent projects in embedded systems, namely traffic light controller. The objective of this project is to simulate real-time traffic conditions experienced at a typical road intersection. For the purposes of demonstration, I will be simulating two signals corresponding to two different roads and a signal for pedestrian. Now let me take a moment and show you breadboard setup which I have here. So the controller which I am using here, it is TM4C123G ARM controller, which is from Texas Instruments, and it is an evaluation kit. So you can see here this red block, it is an ARM controller and it is connected to laptop via this USB cable. And to do programming, I am using here Keil software. Now let us see breadboard connections. Here I have three black switches with letters P, S and W, where P corresponds to pedestrian, S is for south road and W is for west road signal. On this side of breadboard you can see LEDs with corresponding letters W, P and S, where W stands for west signal, P for pedestrian and S for south signal. So these three LEDs correspond to west road signal, these three LEDs correspond to south road signal, and these two LEDs correspond to pedestrian. Now in current situation you can see that pedestrian signal is on, that means it is green, while west and south signals are red, that means they are off. Now if I want to execute any other condition rather than pedestrian, then pedestrian signal should turn off, that means it has to turn red, and whichever signal I want to turn on, it will become green. So let's check first for west signal, that is for west road. So when I will press this switch for west road, first pedestrian signal will turn off, that means it will become red, and then this green LED for west road will turn on, while for south road red LED will remain on. So let's check it. You can see pedestrian's red signal is on west side green LED is on, and on south side red LED remains on. Now if I want to check the situation on south side, I will press this switch, and when I will press this switch for south road, this firstly on west side this green LED will turn off, and then this yellow LED will turn on. After some time of delay, this red LED for west side will turn on, and when this red LED for west will turn on, at that moment green LED for south side will turn on. And on the side of pedestrian, this red LED will remain on. So let's check it. So you can see on west it is red, on south it is green, and on pedestrian side it is red. Now when I will press switch for this pedestrian, then this signal on south side, first it will turns yellow, then after some delay it will turns red, and when it will become red, at that moment on pedestrian side it will signal will become green. So let's check it. Yellow, red. So both west and south side signals are red, and on pedestrian it is green. Now if you want to automate this system, you have to press these three switches at a time, and then this system will execute sequentially. So let's check that. Yes, so pedestrian is off, west signal is on, west is yellow and it is off. At the same time south signal is on. So yes, that's it. Thank you for watching my video.